So for the number 8, calculate the ratio of male to female patients for each diagnosis type. So here as you can see, it will select diagnosis ID count case when gender male, then 1 and as male count. Then count case when gender female, then 1 and as female count. Then case when count case when gender female, then 1 n equals 0, then undefined else run. Count case when gender male, then 1 n, then count case when gender equals female, then count in 1. So n as male ratio. And from diagnosis, join patients diagnosis ID equals patient ID, then we're going to group by diagnosis ID. We're going to round it good as you can see here.